Hello and welcome back. So in this training we will understand the concept of extensions, and then we'll quickly download and install a JCE editor, which is nothing but an advanced editor for editing your articles. So let's get started. A quick note to viewers and participants. Alright, so extensions. What are extensions? As the name says, extension is something that extends the functionality of your Joomla website. For example, an extension for displaying a picture gallery. Now, what's a picture gallery? Let me just show you here. Let me go to my website. It's our company's website. Just loading. Alright, so if you see here, the first part on the top, this is nothing but a picture gallery. If you see, this is a picture gallery. So this is nothing but an extension. Alright. Now extensions are of three different types, or I should say four different types: components, modules, plugins, and templates. So what I do it is in the later classes I will explain you each of these extensions one by one, but for the moment let's quickly install JCE editor, okay, which is again a Joomla extension. In order to do that, you need to download the JCE editor first and then install it. So let's see one by one how to go about doing it. In order to download it, you need to go to Joomla extensions website. How to go to Joomla extensions website? Go to your browser and type extensions.joomla.org. okay, did you get that? extensions.joomla.org, and hit on the enter button. That takes you here. On the top and right hand corner you will have a search field out here. That's where you type, say, JCE editor. Oh, hold on, looks like I've got some bad internet connection. Alright, so that leads me to this page, and let me just search it again. JCE editor. Yes, and you need to just scroll down to find out where is the JCE editor. Hold on. That's a JCK editor, but we're looking for JCE editor. Look at this JCE editor. It's a very popular editor which helps you to kind of edit your articles in, and there are a lot of functionalities with that. So click on that, and here you will see a download button. Click on the download button, and that leads us to the JCE editor. Now click on this editor, and it's asking us for the versions of Joomla. So since we have installed Joomla 2.5, click on Joomla 2.5, and there you go. So what I do it is I will install the first one. I will download the first one, which is, hey, you've got 2.2.1.2 as well, so that's the latest one. Let me download the latest one. Okay, download it, save it in your downloads directory. It's very fast, it's a small one, so you've saved it. Now in order to install it, first see whether it's where it's saved. So go to your downloads folder and look, this is where it's saved. It's a component. Okay, it starts with com. It's a component. Now in order to install it, go to your Joomla backend. Okay, here, and then go to extensions and extensions manager. Okay, once you're here, click browse to find the file where you've downloaded it, and then hit on the open button. Then simply click upload and install. So it's installing it now. Look, installing component was successful. Okay, now what you need to do next is if you go back to your article and see, still you won't find JCE component out there, JCE editor. Still you will see the existing Joomla editor here. So that's what you need to replace it with JCE editor. So in order to do that, you need to change configuration settings of Joomla. So for that, go to Site, Global Configuration. Okay, here you'll find default editor. Currently it's the existing default editor of Joomla, which you need to override it with JCE editor. So since you install JCE editor, you can see that over here. Did you see that? Hold on, let me just enlarge it to show you. Did you see that? Yes. So you need to select this one. Okay, and that's it. And say save and close. Okay, so now configuration successfully saved. So now if you go back to your article and see, you will find JCE editor out there. Look at this, it's loading. So did you see so much of functionality now? And the beauty of this is you can enlarge it to full screen like this. Did you see that? And so much of functionality. And the previous editor was such a simple one, so this gives you a lot of functionality. Anyway, go back to my presentation. We have done that. Yeah, so now explore features. So the features are many. Say for example, you want to color it, this one. So you've got a color. Look, this is colored. If you want to set the background to something, you can as well do that, setting the background. So there are so many features out here. You can install, you can put an image out here if you want. Look at this, edit insert an image, and it asks you for an image. So basically it gives you many functionalities. So as we go along in this training, we will use this JCE editor very often, so you will get hands-on experience as we go. Alright, so let me just close this, go back to my presentation, see what's next. So that's done. So that concludes this part of the training. Thank you very much. Goodbye.